Happy Monday. Ronell Nolan, President, CEO, Health Agents for America, coming to you live this Monday. First thing I want to talk about is group health insurance. It's very important to know that HAFA represents agents that sell individual, group, medical, dental, vision, Medicare, and then some of our members cross-sell into the PNC market. So I don't want you to ever think that we do not represent all agents and brokers across the United States. An article I was reading recently from Kaiser said that annual family premiums for employer-sponsored health insurance averaged $22,463 last year. The average family premium has increased 20% over the last 5 years and 43% over the last 10 years. So we can absolutely say the Affordable Care Act, there's nothing affordable. And almost 159 million Americans rely on employer coverage. So it's important that we stay on top of the employer coverage. I think you've probably all heard by now that Humana is leaving the group market, not dental and vision or Medicare or Medicaid, strictly the group sector. From what I've heard from our members, most say that Humana is not competitive except in Kentucky. Kentucky agents do foresee an issue with Humana leaving the group market. Also very important is the Benefits Pro conference in Atlanta at the beginning of May. HAFA will be there. We encourage you to join us. You get a 15% discount for being a HAFA member. So after you do your registration, you just put in the code HAFA15. So very, very, very important. I'm going to do a separate video on the Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield of Louisiana and the family glitch because I don't want to, it's too important to include in the Monday morning news. Something that I think is very important, and you probably know this or remember this, but maybe some have forgotten this. CMS absolutely will help us with any issues that we have. I can always go up the chain, the leadership chain to help. But the first step that you must do is file your complaint with the agent and broker email. You send them the issue, and they will assign someone, and then they will call you immediately. What is very important is that you do not include anybody's name. Strictly use the application number. You do not want to use the name because it's a privacy issue. So absolutely use agent and broker email. Do not use their name. And if for some reason you do not get satisfaction, then you send me an email and reach out to me and let me know exactly what's going on. Wednesday is our power hour. Lots to talk about off the record. I've heard so many people say, I don't even know what the power hour is. We have a power hour. It is every first Wednesday of every month. It is our monthly meeting where people call in from across the nation, and we talk about things that we need to talk about offline. It's not recorded, and everyone is invited to not only join and listen, but for those to share what's going on in their state, in their industry, anything that's very, very important. That's Wednesday, 2 o'clock Central Standard Time. So if you're not in Central Standard Time, you know where you fall. Very important that Louisiana Department of Insurance Conference is at the end of March. I will be speaking, so if you are a licensed agent in Louisiana, you're looking for some CE credits, you can get, I think, about 8 or so at the conference, and you can come and support HAFA and me at the conference. So excited about that. And then HAFA Agent Summit in New Orleans, Hotel Monteleone, August 10th and 11th. If you look at the Monday morning news, you can click on make your reservations. Please go ahead, make your reservations. We need to make sure to use that block So if we need more rooms, we can add them ASAP. So we'll get the registration link out. I'm working on speakers. So we're working on speaker sponsors. If you have any suggestions, please email me so I can reach out to those folks and let you know. So let me see if I missed anything. I think that's good besides Family Glitch and Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield of Louisiana. Know that I'm here. I'm always here to help you with anything. There's some important Facebook groups that I suggest you join. Not only join the HAFA Facebook group, the HAFA LinkedIn group. There's also a Agent and Broker Uncensored on LinkedIn, which is HAFA. And then there's a healthcare.gov Agents and Broker Facebook link that I suggest you check out. If you need help, you can give me a call. But there's a lot of good information that's being shared by folks that are HAFA members or not HAFA members. Remember that we have the HAFA Resource Library. Very, very, very important. If you do not know your password, you can reach out to me. I'm happy to let you know what that is. Busy year already. We've already got on our calendar. We're booking through the end of the year. So never a dull moment at the HAFA office. I have to chuckle sometimes because folks will reach out and say, hey, can you get somebody on your staff to help me? I'm a staff of one. So sometimes you have to give me a little bit of leeway. But if I don't get back, please reach out again. That just means I missed you. We do have a part-time worker that comes in sometimes and helps do the filing and send out new membership or renewal packets. So we do have that. And then a lot of people get confused about Tori Parker. Tori Parker is an insurance agent. She's an independent insurance agent. She works with Trish Freeman. She is just a rock star, and she is on our executive board and is the vice chair for membership and marketing. So she is there. She doesn't work for HAFA and she doesn't get paid by HAFA. She's just very, very important. But we're just a staff of one. We try to keep things very low key so we can keep the membership level prices down. If you've been a congressional member for a long time, think about joining senatorial. Think about, giving a little bit of money. Think about giving $10 a month to the PAC. We need to stay relevant. We need to stay in front of state and federal legislators. We need their help to succeed in this very tumultuous industry. It's just a little crazy sometimes. But I am here, and I am proud and honored to represent the HAFA freedom fighters, the best of the best, the ninja warriors. Until Wednesday, I look forward to speaking to you then. Have a great Monday.